like, comment, and subscribe.
Hey guys, this is a fire hydrant. Firefighters use it so it can spray water on it for firefighters. They use this tag, and they use their fire hose to get water from there and burst it, and they turn it up so the water could go on the fire. Now let's continue on our bike adventure. Who is it? These are leaves, and they fall from the tree when it's fall. These are grass. Hi, baby. They grow from the dirt. And I need to tell you one more thing. When you see a car, tell me to stop. Daddy, listen. Can I go, kids? No, you can turn around. Kids, can we go on the road?
Make sure you look both ways.
Press the subscribe button if you want to check yes or no. Come on, let's just relax, guys. Just go over there. Tell me when you're done. Press the subscribe button if you want it. If you want to be done or not done. Let's continue on our bike adventure. This is a stop sign. When you see stop sign, you have to stop. And we also see the lettuce tree right behind over here. Let's continue on a bike adventure. Let's go. I'm walking in there. I'm walking. Oh! Yeah, come over here, Mommy. Yeah. When you see a car coming, say stop, Jeremiah. Jeremiah. Kids, we can't go over there. There's no road. There's no bike adventure here. So we're just gonna turn and go in the grass. I could go in the grass and you too, guys. And there's lots of cars. Say stop, Jeremiah. Say stop, Jeremiah. Say stop, Jeremiah. Can we go now? Yeah. No. Look, there's a car. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Subscribe if you like this video. Press the like button if you like this video. Bye. Bye.